While inflation in the Eurozone has hit a record high, the spiraling price rise has hit the Europeans pretty hard, with growth in many countries still to touch the pre-COVID levels. The Central European Bank has now joined the US Federal Reserve and other major central banks in raising the interest rates. The interest rates in Eurozone were hiked by about half a percentage point for the 19 countries yesterday as the central bank aims to reduce the money supply that is available in the market. Now, analysts are expecting another increase in September, possibly by another half a percentage point.
Inevitably, in front of the increase in the price and inflation, interest rates tend to increase. This is what happened in the United States, and it was announced that it will also happen in Europe. But I repeat, this is an inevitable mechanism. The European Central Bank withstood as much as possible, slowing down this increase of the interest rates because it is clear that the increase in interest rates will put an even more difficult situation for the economic production.
Now, the increase in crude prices have hit the customers pretty hard. At the petrol pumps, motorists bemoaned the high prices. Some businesses have also tried to pass on some of the price hike to the customers, while others have tried to absorb the shock of the price rise.
It's impossible to get ahead this way. Between taxes, bills and everything else, it's impossible to get ahead. I work from the morning until late, more than 10 hours. And for what? To pay the bills?
Can I sell for €4 what I was selling at 2 before? You know what they tell me here? To close. So, all of these price increases are paid by us, the small medium business owners.
The analysts point out that the European Central Bank is coming late to its rate liftoff. Recession predictions have in fact increased for later this year and next year as well. Soaring bills for electricity, fuel and gas deal a big blow to businesses and also to people's spending power. Policymakers are afraid that if inflation were to stay high for long enough, then businesses will have to adjust their wage-setting practices. This will also set off a hard-to-break wage price spiral. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.